Kidney disease stage 4 and 5 patients who took 2.5 grams twice daily of this natural remedy improved their kidney function by 24.8% in 9 months. Welcome to Have a Hello Kidney. If you are new here, my name is Katherine and I've been helping people suffering from kidney disease for 10 years now. And when I say help, I don't mean just alleviating the symptoms. I mean achieving tangible results in improving kidney function that are measurable by improved levels in the blood analysis, better creatinine, lowered blood pressure and blood sugar, better markers for anemia, and better GFR. This is the aim when you embark on a journey to a better kidney health. Now, these results may have been considered impossible just a few years ago, and many doctors will still tell you that it's not possible to improve your kidney function. If your doctor is one of these doctors, tell them to get rid of their 30-year-old textbook and to take some refresher courses. And I'm not saying this lightly. Things have changed a lot in the last few years when it comes to treating kidney disease. Successes that were considered impossible, such as lowering creatinine levels and improving kidney function in people in stage 4 of kidney disease, have now been documented in medical literature. Achieving this kind of success through the use of natural remedies is the main goal of my videos. But to do this, you cannot just take a bunch of prescription medicine and a bunch of home remedies all together and hope for the best. That seldom works because the kidneys are the organ that's going to filter all the patients have to put in their bodies. Now, what you want to do is to focus on what really works. And many of you guys ask me in comment section, what should I take if I'm in stage 4 or 5 of kidney disease? What will really work for me? The remedy of today's video. Guys, this is something I recommend to every single kidney disease patient, even those in stage 5 pre-dialysis. This remedy has a proven track record. It can lower blood pressure and improve heart health. It can lower blood sugar levels and treat diabetes. It can lower proteinuria, one of the most important markers of kidney damage. It restores kidney function in all the stages of kidney disease. It can make someone in stage 5 avoid dialysis for up to 2 years. This is what a recent study conducted in Japan found out. Patients were able to maintain stable levels of eGFR and delay the initiation of dialysis both in stage 4 and 5 of CKD. In this study, not surprisingly, the subjects in stage 4 got the best results from the treatment since they were able to maintain their improved GFR for the successive 12 months and probably even more. Wow! The natural remedy I'm talking about is called Astragalus membranaceus, and it's a remedy that's been used for thousands of years for its impressive benefits. So let's see what happens to your kidneys when you start taking Astragalus. This remedy is so effective because it can actually improve blood flow in the capillary veins inside the kidneys. Researchers believe that this can directly improve the filtration ability of the kidneys. And at the same time, this incredible remedy will also protect the nephrons from the damage associated with high blood pressure and high blood sugar levels. But today, I don't just want to show it to you. I will tell you exactly how to use this remedy to improve your kidney health. So don't go away now because the dose is key to benefit from Astragalus. There are several ways to take this supplement: powder, extract, decoctions, teas, and not all of them will help. So today we are going to see how to take this remedy to achieve maximum kidney health benefit. And astragalus also comes with a warning you should know about. Let's start from that. One of the main uses of astragalus, especially for the general population, is to boost immune function, which is great if you want to avoid getting colds or if you suffer from frequent infections. But it's not a good thing for transplant receivers. So keep that in mind. Some possible side effects of astragalus include rash, itching, nasal symptoms, or stomach discomfort, but these are uncommon. There is also an animal study suggesting that this remedy may be dangerous for pregnant and breastfeeding women. And while this group of people are recommended to avoid this remedy, astragalus is still perfectly safe if taken the right way. And I can tell you this because it was tested in patients receiving the standard treatments for kidney disease in stage 4 and 5. So let's see immediately how you should be taking this remedy. In most studies, patients with kidney disease have been administered around 2.5 grams of powdered astragalus twice daily. And while it is possible to find this remedy in a powder form, there's also an alternative that's maybe better: the extract. I usually prepare the extract because it's the purest form of a remedy, and it has the big advantage of being effective already with a much smaller dose. Actually, if you find a 20:1 extract, it means that instead of 5 grams a day, you will need just 250 milligrams a day to get the result. So what you want is to find a brand that certifies the amounts of polysaccharides in their supplement, which is not something all the brands do. So if the label doesn't say astragalus membranaceus 20:1 extract standardized to 70% polysaccharides, don't buy it. If you are in the US or Europe, you will find this remedy easily on Amazon.com. I've added a link below in the description to a couple of brands that meet all the requirements. And guys, if you want to see how to incorporate this remedy in a kidney tonic tea that will make it even more effective, this video up here may interest you. And this is all for today. See you next Tuesday. Bye!